Here we are on page 4, part 2, questions 8 through 15. In question number 8, we are finding the degree of this polynomial. The way we find the degree of a polynomial is we take the sum of the different variables in each term. X cubed has a degree 3, x times y, each of those is a 1, even though it's unwritten. So that term is degree 2, and our last term is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So we take the largest of the three numbers, which is 4, so that is degree 4. A number without any variable is of degree 0, since if you were to write it with a variable, it would be x to the 0. Question number 10. This term is degree 6, this term is degree 7, and this term is degree 5. 7 would be the degree of the entire polynomial. Question number 11. We are to simplify this by putting like terms together. First, I'm going to get rid of the parentheses, so I'm going to rewrite it as 6x squared minus 7x plus 13. And with the minus sign in here, I need to distribute that negative to both of those terms. So I'm going to have minus 4x squared minus 8. Now I'm going to put my like terms together. 6 minus 4 on the x squared gives me 2x squared. There's only one x term, so I'm going to just bring that down. And then I'm going to put my number terms together. 13 minus 8 is positive 5. For question number 12, again we have a minus sign between them, so I am going to get rid of the parentheses before I put like terms together. Distributing that negative to all three of them gives me negative 3x squared minus 5xy plus 7y squared. Now putting my like terms together, I have 7x squared and negative 3x squared gives me 4x squared. We have 7xy and negative 7xy and negative 5xy gives me negative 12xy. And putting my y squared terms together, I have negative 9 and positive 7 gives me negative 2y squared. On our last questions here, we're going to put these in scientific notation. The rules for scientific notation says that we need to have one digit in front of the decimal point, significant digit. So I'm going to write 2.57 times 10 to the, and I'm going to move my decimal point, count how many places it goes to get behind the 2, and it's 6 places. Since my number started out less than 1, my exponent is going to be negative. For number 14, I'm going to move my decimal till there's one digit in front of the decimal point. And then I'm going to count how many places it is to get there, and I get 9. For question number 15, I need to divide these two numbers. I get 6.16 times 10 to the, and when we divide, we subtract, so 15 minus negative 3, and the minus negative makes a plus, so I get 6.16 times 10 to the 18th power.